Okay, so now we are going to see how to find a determinant for a 4 by 4 matrix, and this is a 4 by 4 matrix, and I'm going to just go through the steps very slowly. So we are going to start with the first number. As usual, when you have such type of problems, you go in for, like, you have a plus here, a minus here, a plus here, and a minus here. So that is how we are going to use. So I'm going to take the first one, 1 into, I have already told you that I usually close my problems with scales or something like that. So I'm going to use that method because it's easier to see the resultant matrix. So you have a 3 by 3 matrix, 9, 5, 15, 2, 1, 1, 4, 2, 3. So this is your resultant matrix for the first one. Okay, now minus 3 into same method. You can either use a scale and do it, or you can use your brains and start thinking how it is done. So you have 3 in the second column, so you close the second column, and then of course the first row where 3 is. If you close it, you have left with this row and these two rows. I mean this column and these two columns. So you have 3, 0, 0, 5, 1, 2, 15, 1, 3. Okay. And third one is plus again 1 into same method. First row you close, third column you close. So you have 3, 0, 0, 9, 2, 4, 15, 1, 3 left. So once you understand the concept, this column is closed, so the rest is taken. Initially there's always a confusion, so we try to do it as slowly as possible. The last one is minus, so I have put minus 4. Again I'm going to close this column and this row. So I have 3, 0, 0, 9, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2. Right. So these are my matrices, and I have already told you how to do find the determinant for a 3 by 3 matrix. So this I'm going to do it a little quickly because we've already seen how to do it. So here you have the first one, 9 into, again same rule, first row, first column close. You have these 4 left. If you want me to go through those steps also, I will go, but I have already done it. So what I'm going to do is directly I'm going to cross multiply. So 1 into 3 is 3 minus 1 into 2. I'm just cross multiplying. So 1 into 2 is 2. So first one is done. Minus the second value 5 into, if I close this column, I have 2, 4, 1, 3. So 2 into 3 is 6 minus 1 into 4 is 4 plus 15. We have these 4 left. That will be 2 into 2, 4 minus 4 into 1, 4. Okay, so this is the first one done. Now I'm just going to move stepwise here itself. Minus 3 into, again same rule, 3 into, I close these two fellows off. I have this particular matrix left. That will be 1 into 3, 3 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 5 into 0 into 3, 0 minus 0 into 1, 0. Now if I close this and this, I have 0, 1, 0, 2. Again 0 into 2, 0 minus 0 into 1, 0. That is my second one. Plus third one, 3 into 2 into 3 is 6 minus 4. Now I am going a bit faster. This I'll get as 0 plus 15. Again I get 0. You can do it a little slowly, but since I have already got an idea, so I'm just going to run. 4 minus 4 minus 9 into 0 minus 0 plus 5 into 0 minus 0. This question is pretty interesting and easy because there are many zeros here, so many of the values get eliminated. So 1 into, so we'll start with the first one. 9 into 1 minus 5 into 2 plus 15 into 0 minus 3 into 1 minus 5 into 0 plus 15 into 0 plus 1 into 3 into 2 minus 9 into 0 plus 15 into 0 minus 4 into 3 into 0 minus 9 into 0 plus 5 into 0. So here you have, this is 1 into, so it doesn't make much difference. I'll just remove it off and I'm going to directly write the numbers here. This will be 9 minus 10. This value gets eliminated. Here if you notice, these two become 0. These two become 0, so you have only 3 left. So 3 into 3 is 9, so you have minus 9 here. Then the third one also 1 is, we can just remove and these two become 0, so you have plus 6. Here all of them become 0, so that is gone. Okay, now if you notice, plus 9 minus 9, I can cancel. You can straight away start adding it up. Minus 10 plus 6 is minus 4. So determinant of A is minus 4. This is my answer. So for a 4 by 4 matrix, I can do the problem like this. Looks a bit tedious, but it is not actually. If you are very clear with a 3 by 3 matrix, then everything becomes easier. So this is my determinant.